Guys, hope you're doing well. Salam alaikum. Now, I have all this here with me. Here are buns. Well, are they called buns? Something close to that. Hot dogs. This here is mustard. What is it called? Tomato sauce. Mayo. This is lettuce. This is tomato. This is onion that has been, what do we say, garnished? No. Okay, caramelized, exactly. So what I did so that I add color to the onions is I added a little soy sauce. That is why the onions look that way. So basically, these are the ingredients we're going to work with. We're going to make hot dogs. Let's get started and fix a quick meal, fix a quick option for our breakfast. So basically, if you do not have this, don't worry. This, don't worry. This you can substitute with your normal tomato sauce. So basically, right here, you can, interchange and just use what you have. Do not stress yourselves. Basically, what I'm going to do when it comes to my hot dogs is I'm going to make them two ways. One of them will have vegetables, one of them will have lettuce and tomatoes. The other one will just have the caramelized onions.